And we're back to CapCut. Let me show this Trollface effect. It's usually added when someone plays a prank or in sports clips, something like this. So I'm going to use this boxer. You want to find a position where he faces the camera quite well, maybe here. You want to make sure to select this clip. Then you see the options up above. And we want to have the freeze frame option right here. Left click on it. This gives you freeze frame. We don't need the rest. I delete it. So we have the footage and then there's the still image. Let me extract the audio. We don't need it. Next up, we add an image of a troll face. Just Google for one and you'll find countless examples. If you don't want to have a background, just make sure it's a PNG file. Scale it, reposition it. You may have to rotate it a little bit. That's up to you. Once that is done, we'll select all and then right click, create a compound clip. We are still at this position where the freeze frame starts. We go to effects, open the drop down for video effects, and we use the cartoon category. There's an energy effect. It has an inbuilt shake. You can see it also shakes and gives us these stripes. But if you want to adjust the shake manually, you can search. It's currently trending, but you can also search for it. Just type in shake. And then you can download one of these and add them on top. And now you can adjust this here via range and speed. Now it's much more intense, but as I've said, the energy effect has a shake inbuilt. If you're fine with that, just keep it. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.